Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite learning zone, Maths with Priyosree. Are you worried about how to find the LCM using the division method? Don't worry, in this video, I will explain it step by step in the simplest way possible. Watch till the end and you will understand exactly how to apply the division method to get the correct LCM. Let's get started. In this method, we divide the given numbers by a prime number that divides at least two of the numbers exactly. If a number is not divisible, we simply carry it forward to the next step. We continue this process until no two numbers have a common factor. Finally, the product of all the divisors and the remaining numbers gives the LCM of the given numbers. Let's find out the LCM of 16, 22 and 40. Write the numbers side by side. 16, 22, 40. The smallest prime number that divides at least two of them is 2. Divide 16, 22, 40 by 2. We have 8, 11, 20. Again, 2 divides 8 and 20. Divide 8, 11 and 20 by 2. 11 stays as it is. Now we have 4, 11, 10. Once more, 2 divides 4 and 10. Divide 4, 11 and 10 by 2. 11 stays as it is. Now we have 2, 11, 5. Stop here. Multiply all the divisors and the remaining prime numbers, we will get 880. Hope you will understand. Finding LCM of 36, 96, 108 and 160 using the division method. Write the numbers side by side. 36, 96, 108, 160. Look for the smallest prime number that divides at least two numbers. All four numbers are even, so start dividing by 2. We will get 18, 48, 54 and 80. Again, check the divisibility by 2. So start dividing 18, 48, 54 and 80 by 2. We will get 9, 24, 27 and 40. Check divisibility for 2. Here 24 and 40 are divisible. So start dividing these numbers by 2. Write the numbers 9, 12, 27 and 20 in a row. Again divide by 2. 12 and 20 are divisible. Write 9, 6, 27 and 10 in a row. Again divide by 2. 6 and 10 are divisible. We will get 9, 3, 27 and 5. Now check for 3. Here 9, 3 and 27 are divisible by 3. We will get 3, 1, 9, 5. Both 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. We will get 1, 1, 3, 5. Now multiply all the divisors and the remaining prime numbers. So the LCM of 36, 96, 108 and 160 is 4320. This method works for any set of numbers. If you found this explanation easy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more maths tricks. See you in the next video.